Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something very exciting. I just got these two packages right here full of lighting equipment and filming equipment and stuff. And one of them came a few days ago and the second one just came like half an hour ago. So in this box, I have soft boxes, and then that one I have my ring light and a new tripod. So I thought I would take you guys along with me while I'm kind of putting them together and everything like that. If you don't know, I'm in my new room. So I am in a different room now. I've been in here for about 2 days, so not very long, but I just got these lights and I'm gonna stop blabbering and we're gonna set them up together. Alright, so first is this box right here, and this should be the one from the DVE store. I ordered a ring light from there and also a tripod. So here it is, guys. And then this should be the tripod. Alright guys, so here's the ring light. This is what it looks like. So this is the Diva ring light. This is the Supernova light. So you guys could see it there. Now I ordered the Supernova just because it came with a diffuser cloth and all the things that I will need. Okay, I'm just opening up the tripod here. Now this tripod, you could get it with the ring light and then it's like a package deal and you get the tripod for less money. And this is the Pro tripod, so it's a very heavy duty professional tripod. Heavy. Gosh, it's so smooth. So this is the ring light. It's actually very light, just probably good. And then we have some different pieces in here. I don't remember exactly what this part's called. What is this? This is the Z bracket. What this looks like with the screws. And then you also get the gooseneck, which looks like this. So let's get this diffuser cloth on. Guys, I put on the diffusion cloth and I just plugged it in. Holy heck. This is so bright. I was not, this is with the diffusion cloth on it and it's hella bright. Alright guys, so right now I'm attaching the Z bracket because the gooseneck, I don't think I want it to use it because I want to put my camera on the tripod as well. So I have some little screws here. Oh, I need a screwdriver. Let me go grab that. We have the screwdriver. Alright, so my brother's just helping me screw this on. Did that go in? No, it didn't. Oh, there we go.
Now it's locked in.
And this comes up. Ooh, let's see. Alright guys, so the Diva ring light is set up. Now it's time to set up these soft boxes, which surprisingly it's two bigger lights, but they're in a really small package. Where did I put my X-Acto knife? What? Excuse me. Oh, found it. Let's just... This. We have two cases. Oh, and these, by the way, are by Limo Studios. I'll link all the links down below. Okay, and these go pretty tall, actually. Okay, so here we have the tarp. Here is our holy, oh my gosh. This is the size of my head. Look at this light bulb. Okay, I'm gonna put this up on my desk for now. Push the center until it clicks. This is so bright. I love it. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm happy it works. Okay, we're done with this one. I'm just gonna turn it off, unplug it, and I'm just gonna move this one to the side since it's all built. Thank God this one works too. You guys don't even know the amount of reviews I watch where people's lights, only one of them works, so I'm so beyond happy.
Oh, these are super light, so very easy to move around. And then the big boy.
And you guys always ask me what I used to film, and I use my phone. That's what I'm filming on right now. And I have this little adapter, so I'm just gonna screw it onto the new tripod. All right, there we go. So this is how I set them up. I put the two soft boxes on the side, the ring light obviously in the middle, and then this is my makeup desk where I sit and stuff. So this is them right here for you guys to see. All right, all the lights are on. This is it. This is the lighting. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog style video. Hopefully it was entertaining to watch me set these up and everything, and this is the new lighting setup from now on. This is how I'm gonna be filming. This is gonna be my new quality, and I'm very excited to bring better quality videos to you guys. But I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Nick, do you like it? You don't like it?
They're just too bright.
Too bright?
I can't even like see. I'm like crying right now.
I love it.
Ugh.
Some tests.
Hey guys, I hope you all are having a fantastic day, and today we're gonna be getting into a two-faced palette tutorial. What you want to do is you want to get milk chocolate and then rub it on your nose. You see how that like blends in, and then it looks like you have a tan now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day.
Like it?
Baguettes.